Visuals are a powerful communication tool, and in today's fast-paced world, conveying information quickly and effectively is more important than ever. In the professional world, one-pager is one of those communication tools. Hi, I'm Gerline, a part of the Vengage team, and today I will guide you on crafting the perfect one-pager for your business needs. We at Vengage are all about making design accessible and professional, so let's dive in. One-pager is a single page of content, most often no larger than a letter or A4 size sheet of paper. What's actually in a one-pager will depend on your needs and the purpose of the materials. Let me show you how you can easily create a one-pager. You can save a lot of time, and using Vengage, you don't need to be a professional designer to create these beautiful designs. So let's get going. For a business, a one-pager can have pretty much limitless applications, but here are the most successful uses I've seen. First, the company. A company one-pager is meant to describe what your business does. For a successful company one-pager, all companies should include things like logo, mission and value statements, services offered, value proposition, contact information. Take a look at this example. Logo, mission statement, services, and contact information has been elegantly crafted in a one-pager. A product flyer is basically a one-pager for a particular good or service that you create or sell. Have a look at this product flyer. You can see how descriptive you can be about your product. Check out this Realtor House sale flyer. It has everything the customer would like to know, and you can customize this template very easily by adding or replacing the logo, photos of your product, product specs, sale information, purchasing information, and contact information. If you're looking for financial backing for your company, you're probably going to create a pitch deck. But if you distill that information into a single page too, it can help set you apart from other potential investments. In an investor pitch, you can include things like unique value proposition, market analysis and revenue projections, list of officers and key team members, launch timeline, fundraising goal. You can create a one-pager of standard operating procedures like these to give your employees a leg up. A training one-pager is designed to help team members understand and learn new tasks, technologies, or processes. Check out this elegant company one-pager created using Vengage. A complete process has been visually depicted to train the employees on how to respond to a customer review, and you can easily customize this template according to your needs. Similarly, you can create a one-pager for sales report to summarize complex data points so it becomes easier to digest. You can add quarter, annual, fiscal year, income and expenses, year-over-year change, projections, return on investment, and important milestones in your sales report one-pager. I hope you found this video insightful. If you have any questions about using Vengage to create one-pagers, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to follow Vengage on all social media for regular updates. See you in the next video.